roadmap for your finances, a tool that helps you navigate the often chaotic landscape of income and expenses. It's not just about counting dollars and cents, it's about setting priorities and making choices. Imagine standing at a crossroads, each path representing a different spending decision. A budget forces you to evaluate what truly matters, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or simply putting food on the table. It's a commitment to being mindful, to knowing where your money goes instead of letting it slip through your fingers. A budget can be liberating. It gives you control over your financial destiny, but it can also feel restrictive, like a cage, especially when desires clash with reality. Yet, in that tension lies the power of discipline and foresight. Ultimately, a budget is not just a plan, it's a reflection of your values and aspirations.